Hello, I'm Matteo, and this is the unboxing of the JASBON case for the Huawei P30 Pro. Right then, we recently unboxed and gave you some first impressions of the JASBON case for the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, which I'm liking quite a lot and still using. So today we're going to unbox the JASBON case for the Huawei P30 Pro. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. This will enable you to have notifications or just to have suggestions of videos once we upload them. Right, just as with the Mate 20 Pro case, this is a simple cardboard box with a few details indicating that there's a 12-month warranty with the product and that it is using environmentally friendly silicone. On the inside, once we've opened the box, there is a plastic bag, and on the inside, this is a black smart case for the Huawei P30 Pro. This is my lovely breathing crystal Huawei P30 Pro, one of my daily use devices of the few that I carry and use every day. And this case seems to fit well. So what I'm going to do is put the phone in the case like that, and it clips in. Job done. And just as with the official Huawei P30 Pro Smart View case, the whole front panel of the device is from top to bottom, about 3/4 is see-through, and the always-on display or the notification display adapts so that you can see through the case, you can see notifications without having to go into the actual notifications. The cutouts for the camera are good. As you can see, it's the perfect cutout for all 4 sensors and the flash. And once you put it flat, as with the case for the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, this gives you a bit of space between the surface you're putting the device down on and the camera module. It will protect your camera module a bit better than some other cases. The hinge is made out of the same material as the case itself. It's a sort of vegan leather case, and it has a bit of clip to it, as in it has some sturdiness that will close the case. There is no plastic covering on the transparent panel around the screen on this one. And one thing people have asked, can you use it as a stand? Yes, but you need to have a non-smooth surface, so it won't just stand up to hold your phone like that. It's not ideally made for that, but it does protect the screen and the back. At the underside, you can see there's the perfect cutout for the microphone, USB Type-C port, and the speaker. And at the top, perfect cutout for the infrared port and the microphone. So, interesting case, quite good in terms of protection for the Huawei P30 Pro. I will be putting it through its paces, but my first impressions are quite positive. There wasn't that much packaging. The case itself is well presented, seems to be quite sturdy. So this will be my most used device for the next few weeks as I trade in my Google Pixel 3 XL, which I intend to replace with a Google Pixel 4 XL once it's announced and released. But for now, thanks for watching this unboxing of the the Huawei P30 Pro JASBON case. We will have a link to where you can purchase it on Amazon in the description. And for now, thanks for watching. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. Thanks very much. Goodbye.